Hey guys, and welcome to SciCheck. Today we're going to learn about order of operations. What does that mean? Well, let's say we have a problem. We have 3 times 3 plus 4. Now where are we supposed to start? Are we supposed to start by doing 3 times 3 and then plus 4? Or are we supposed to start by doing 3 plus 4 and then times 3? Let's see what happens if we do it differently. So let's start 1. 3 times 3 plus 4. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 4. That equals 13. Okay? 2. The same one. 3 plus 4. And now we're going to start with this one. So we do 3 plus 4, which is 7, and that times 3, and that equals 21. Do you see? There's a difference. And I'm going to bring up my red pencil, and I'm going to do like this, because this is wrong. In math, we are going to start with multiplication before we do the plus, the addition. And how are we going to remember that? Well, let me show you. Okay, this is going to look like gibberish to you. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What does it mean? Well, if we take the first letter in each word, we're going to get something called PEMDAS. It's not a real word, it's just a memory sort of a thing. So the P is going to stand for parentheses. The E is going to stand for exponents. The M and D, they're together because it doesn't matter which one you do before the other. There's a sort of a rule called from the left to the right. So when you have either multiplication or division, you do it from left to right. And the same goes for A and S, which are addition and subtraction. Okay, so please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And we need to use this. Yeah, I'm going to add here. And from left to right. Super important to get this one too. So if you remember this and this, you can solve any problem. Now I'm going to give you a hard one. Wait one moment. I promised you guys a hard problem, and here it is. So when we have a problem, we just start going down the list. First, we look for parentheses. Do we have any parentheses in our problem? We do not. Then we go to the next one, exponents. Do we have any exponents in our problem? We do. So that's our first calculation. So 2 times 2 is 4. We take it down, so we have 4. Now, what about multiplication and division? We have some here, and we have some here. They are not all together, like if it were like this, then we would have to use the left to right rule. But because they are divided up into parts by pluses and minuses, we can just do them individually, and it doesn't matter if you do this one first or that one first. But it's just good to get familiar with the left to right rule, so we're just going to do it from left to right. So we have 6 here, 2 times 3 is 6, and we have 2 here. 6 divided by 3 is 2, yes. Okay, now I'm looking for addition and subtraction. I have 4, yeah, and I'm done. Now the only thing I need to do is do these ones together, and this is easy. 6 plus 4 is 10. Minus 2 is 8, and then plus 4 is 12. Voila, I'm done. Are you ready to crank up the volume a little bit more? Now we have parentheses. Okay, so we do exactly the same thing. We're going to start with our P. Do we have parentheses? Yes, we do. So that is going to be 11, 8 plus 3. And I'm just going to take the 2 down with me, so it's not going to get confusing. And then I'm looking for exponents. Any exponents? Any exponents? Yes, there are. Sorry, I meant to do like this, yeah. So then we have a 9. 3 times 3 is a 9. Okay. And then we're looking for multiplication and division. Any multiplication and division? Yeah, here it is. And now we have 3 in a row. So we're going to do it from left to right, as I said before. So we have 2 times 6, which is 12, and divided by 2 is going to be 6. So 6. And now finally only the subtraction, which is here, and I'm going to take it down with me. Now I'm not going to calculate anything right here. I'm going to do it one more time because I still have multiplication here. So again, I start. Do I have parentheses? No. Exponents? No. Multiplication, division? I do. So 22. And do I have any more? No. So I only have addition and subtraction, and I'm going to do that from left to right. So 11 plus 9 plus 6. And now we calculate. 22 minus 11 is 11. Plus 9 is 20. Plus 6 is 26. 26. Okay? I'm sure this is becoming so easy that you're able to do it in your sleep by now, but we're still going to solve some problems in the next video. But thank you so very much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified when the next video is out. And remember, if I can do it, so can you.